for number 5, y is equals to 38x plus 38 sine x cosine x plus 1/4 cosine cube x sine x. So we'll get its first derivative. So y prime is equals to 38 plus 38. So just copy sine x first. Derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. So multiplication rule of differentiation. So we'll just add. So just copy cosine x. So derivative of sine x is negative. So positive cosine x. Positive cosine x. Then close bracket plus 1/4. So just copy first the cosine cube x. So derivative of sine x is positive cos x plus, so multiplication rule of differentiation, we'll just add, then copy sine x. Then cosine cube x. Cosine cube x is just equals just like this. So cosine x raised to the power of 3. So we have 3. 3, just copy inside cosine squared. So 3 minus 1 is just equals to 2. So cosine squared x. So derivative inside is negative. Derivative inside of cosine x is negative sine x. Then close bracket. So y prime is equals to 38 plus. So just copy the constant. So simplify further in the inside bracket. So negative sine squared x plus cosine squared x. So plus 1/4. So cosine. So close bracket. Cosine raised to the power 4x plus. So I will simplify this one. So minus. So minus 3 sine squared x cosine squared x, right? So we have y prime is equals to, just copy the constant. So we'll just distribute so that we can able to simplify now. So negative 38 sine squared x plus 38 cosine squared x. So plus 1/4 cosine of 4x minus 3/4 sine squared x cosine squared x. Again, we will simplify further. So just copy. So 38 minus 38 sine squared x plus 38 cosine squared x plus 1/4 cosine of 4x minus, so 3/4. So we know that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equals to 1. So sine squared x is equals to 1 minus cosine squared x. So we'll now substitute this one. So 1 minus cosine squared x cosine squared x. So we'll now simplify. So y prime is equals to 38. So just copy. Sine squared x plus. So we'll also substitute sine squared x into this one. 1 minus cosine squared x. So our goal is to uniform the trigonometric function. So plus 38 cosine squared x plus 1/4 cosine 4x minus 3/4 cosine squared x plus 3/4. So plus 3/4 plus 3/4 cosine of 4x. So we'll now simplify further. So we have 38 minus 3/8 plus 3/8 cosine squared x plus 3/8 cosine squared x plus 1/4 cosine of 4x. So minus 3/4 cosine squared x plus 3/4 cosine of 4x. So combine similar terms for this one. So y prime. So we'll just cancel this one. Cancel this one. We'll combine this one. 3/8. So we'll just add. So 6/8 cosine squared x. So for this one, 1/4 plus 3/4 cosine of 4x. So plus cosines cosine of 4. So cosine of 4x. So copy minus 3/4 cosine squared x. So to simplify this one, we will need to factor out cosine squared x. So the remaining will be 6/8 minus 3/4 plus cosine squared x. So we have y prime is equals to, so cosine squared x. So 6/8 minus 3/4, so 8. So just copy 6. So 8 divide 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 minus 6 plus cosine squared x. So y prime is equals to cosine squared x. So 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. So we'll cancel out this one. So the remaining will be cosine squared x. So our final answer will be y prime is equals to cosine raised to power 4x. So this will be now our final answer. So it is a long process, right? So let's check if our answer is correct. So cosine raised to power 4x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.